Hello guys, this is Altaf, and without wasting your time, let's see how to download Thony on your PC to run Python program. So let's see guys. First open your Chrome and then search Thony. Just press enter, and then for simple way to download any software from internet, go to Wikipedia page. Okay, and then from here you can go official website thony.organization. Okay, see from here you can download for Windows. Just click it. Yes, see it is started to download. Control plus Z, you can see how it's downloading. Yeah, by clicking this link you can download it. Okay, I have already downloaded it, so let's see on software how to use it. Yeah, this is Thony software, and for using this just go file, and here you can open new file. Yeah, it's here, and here let's write some basic program. This is basic program, okay, in Python. And control plus S, just save it is add.py, and then save it. And for run it, just press function plus F5. Yeah, see here, type first number, then I'm just typing 2, then enter, then you're saying type second number, I putting 2, and then I will put, then it will show the sum of both number is 4. Yeah, see sum is 4. Thank you so much guys for watching this.